Hi, I'm Chef Javier Canteras, owner of Urdaneta here in Portland, Oregon. I know it's an interesting time right now. We're probably bored, getting a little bit stir crazy. I know I am. So right now is the perfect time to make some homemade, delicious food for yourself and your family. Today I'm going to make a Spanish tortilla, not to be confused with the flour or corn tortilla that you might find in Mexico, but this is more like a potato omelet, I guess. My mom made it for me growing up as a kid. I make it for my family all the time. It's really easy to make. It's got 3 simple ingredients: eggs, potatoes, and onions. This is what I'm going to show you how to make. Let's go. Alright guys, here's our finished tortilla. Let's cut into it. Put it to a taste test.
Thank you. Come on, let me grab it.
Thanks for watching, guys.